Hello everyone, and welcome to the Giant Machines channel.
In vast quarries stretching over dozens of hectares,
Massive granite, basalt, and limestone blocks lie deep underground. As hard as steel, humans have only one weapon to conquer them. Colossal machines, weighing hundreds, even thousands of tons, operating 247 in dust, vibrations, and extreme heat. These machines are the beating heart of the stone quarrying industry. Today, we start with the largest monster and work our way down, exploring the 10 most powerful stone mining machines dominating the world. Get ready? Let's begin with number 1. The Caterpillar 6090 FS is a true icon, one of the largest hydraulic shovels ever built, weighing over 1,000
tons, and equipped with a massive 52 cubic meter bucket. It can lift an entire 40-ton haul truck in a single scoop.
At granite quarries in Australia,
South Africa,
and Chile,
It routinely handles enormous blasted rock, loading 240 350-ton haul trucks in just 4 to 5 scoops.
its huge hydraulic system delivers excavation power capable of breaking almost anything in its path. In the world of stone mining,
The 6090 FS is not just a machine, it's a legend.
So next is the Hitachi EX8007, weighing 837 tons, with a 40 cubic meter bucket. This behemoth is the direct competitor of the Liebherr R9800, yet many quarries prefer it for its unmatched reliability.
Powered by 2 Cummins QSK60 engines delivering nearly 4.
So we're on horsepower.
The EX8007 can handle hard basalt,
Break blasted rock layers, and load massive haul trucks quickly. Its dual cabins allow 2 operators to alternate shifts, ensuring 247 operation.
The EX8007 proves that in the world of supersized machines, power comes not only from size, but from durability and stability. The Liebherr R9800 weighs 810 tons with a 42 cubic meter bucket and foray.
That's so in horsepower.
Often called the standard bearer of the mining industry.
It is renowned at quarries worldwide as the machine that almost never dies. Its ultra-stable hydraulic system maintains massive digging force over extended periods. Even in dense granite, a wide cabin ensures safe operation in uneven terrain. In the 800-ton class,
The R9800 is the benchmark every manufacturer aims to meet.
PC8006 weighs 752 tons,
Uses a 42 cubic meter bucket
and delivers nearly 900 horsepower, while the R9800 represents European engineering. The PC8006 embodies Japanese strength. It excels in continuous 247 operation with lower maintenance costs than its competitors.
in Australian quarries. It is a top choice for moving blasted rock due to its robust construction,
Powerful hydraulics,
and ability to operate non-stop.
it is affectionately called the steel workhorse in large quarries. The Komatsu PC 2011 is a transitional monster,
bridging large excavators and supersized machines
at around 202 tons, with a 12 cubic meter bucket and over 1 horsepower.
It can handle granite,
basalt, and large blasted rocks. In many industrial quarries, the PC 2000 works in tandem with 90 150-ton haul trucks, forming an efficient, continuous mining chain. This machine is known for reliability, stability, and cost-effective operation in large-scale operations. The Komatsu WA900-8R is one of the largest and most powerful wheel loaders in the world, weighing 116 tons with buckets ranging from 5 to 13 cubic meters, designed for heavy stonework. It features a durable drivetrain and wide vision cabin, ensuring safe operation on rugged rock surfaces. Its massive traction and maneuverability make the WA900-8R the king of wheel loaders in blasted rock quarries. Next is the Caterpillar 988K XE, a 55-ton hybrid wheel loader with a 5 cubic meter bucket. Its diesel-electric drivetrain delivers stronger traction while saving up to 25% fuel. The 988K XE is ideal for medium to large construction quarries where continuous operation, fuel efficiency, and performance are critical. Volvo L350H weighs 50 tons with a 2 to 7 cubic meter bucket and is renowned for operator comfort, low vibration, and durability, widely used at crushing stations, stockyards, and medium to large limestone quarries. The L350H combines stability, fuel efficiency, and smooth operation. Operators praise its ergonomic cabin, making heavy lifting tasks easier to control. The Doosan DX800 LC7 weighs 79 tons with a 6 cubic meter bucket and is popular across Asian quarries. Its D-Eco Power hydraulic system boosts efficiency by 30%, particularly when working with limestone or granite. The DX800 combines durability, strength, and cost-effectiveness. Perfect for operators seeking high performance with lower maintenance. Finally, the Caterpillar 374 weighs 74 tons with a 5 cubic meter bucket. This high-performance excavator is optimized for ripping, benching, and loading blasted stone, with strong digging force and fast cycle times. The 374 is widely used in medium-sized quarries and construction projects, with hard rock foundations. It is a perfect combination of power, speed, and durability. Finally, the Caterpillar 374 weighs 74 tons with a 5 cubic meter bucket. This high-performance excavator is optimized for ripping, benching, and loading blasted stone. With strong digging force and there you have it, the top 10 largest stone mining machines in the world. From the colossal giants over 1 tons to the high-performance heavy excavators, these machines are more than industrial equipment. They are symbols of power, endurance, and advanced engineering in modern mining. If you enjoy videos about massive machinery, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the next machine you want to see. See you in the next video. Fast cycle times.
The 374 is widely used in medium-sized quarries and construction projects with hard rock foundations. It is a perfect combination of power,
Speed and durability.